How to use Charge and Play app. So here is the app. You just need to search the one you like. I personally like this one because it's in the top charts, in the higher than other apps in this category. So that's the one. So you just open it up, and then you need, first of all, you just need to select the Charge and Play animation you want to use. You can do a preview. You can see how it looks like. You can see which ones people are liking, and just select the one you like. You can customize, like you can select type of playback, either loop playback, exit after playing, automatic screen. You can configure charging animation, time display, flashlight, cameras, progress display. So all of those things. Anyway, you just select those, and then there are videos, and then there are wallpapers. So yep, here you just select the one, but it's not enough. And then you just tap in top right, there is a handy guide how to do it. So basically you can just follow it, or there is like a shortcuts app, there is automation button, and then you add new automation, create personal automation, charger is connected, add action, apps, charge and play, and select the one you like. So yeah, that's a bit complicated, but shortcuts app is available for everyone on your iPhones. Then select automation, new automation, and then I guess here is like charger is connected, and then you just follow it. So it's connected, and then add action, and then apps. So then you just select apps, and basically maybe the app should be just here. Oh, it's a bit weird, so it's not appearing. So maybe you just need to search for apps, but yeah, it's their tutorial is about older version of shortcuts app, so seems it was updated. Maybe you need to restart your phone actually, so that this app should appear here. And then basically you need to find it and tap on it and select the animation you like to run.